In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal, Zoho Books. If you've ever needed to adjust balances, correct an error, or record something that doesn't come from a regular sales or purchase transaction, a manual journal is the clean, professional way to do it. We'll keep this simple, clear, and precise so you can post with confidence. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the top right corner. Click the plus icon, then choose Journal Entry. This brings up the journal creation form where all the action happens. Think of this form as your single place to define what you're adjusting and why, so it's easy to understand later during reviews or audits. Now enter the details of the journal. First, set the date. Pick the day you want the entry to impact your books, typically the period you're adjusting. Next, review the journal number. Zoho Books can auto-generate this, but if your organization uses a specific numbering sequence, update it to match your internal policy. Add a reference if you have one. This could be a document ID, a bank statement page, or a ticket number, anything that helps you trace the reason for the entry. In the notes box, briefly explain what you're doing and why. Clear notes save a ton of time later. Within the same form, choose the accounts you're affecting and enter the amounts you're debiting and crediting. This is the core of the journal. Make sure your debits equal your credits. Zoho Books will show you the totals so you can confirm everything balances. If needed, add a short description to each line to clarify the purpose of that specific debit or credit. Take a moment to double-check account selections and amounts. Accuracy here ensures your reports stay reliable. When you're satisfied, decide how you want to save the entry. Click Save and Publish to post it to your general ledger right away, which means it will appear in your financial reports. If you're still waiting on a review or just want to park the entry for later, choose Save as Draft. Drafts are great for collaboration and internal checks before anything hits the books. That's all there is to it. Click the plus icon and select Journal Entry. Fill in the date, journal number, reference, and notes. Make sure your debits and credits balance, then either publish or save as a draft. With these simple steps, you'll keep your records accurate and your audit trail crystal clear.